Ever spent hours debugging why your monorepo's build time tripled after adding 2 new services? Platform engineers, DevOps leads, and infrastructure architects face this daily. Tangled NX workspaces, turbo repo configs that feel like black magic, and CI pipelines that fail unpredictably. This pack delivers battle tested turbo repo templates with pre wired NX generators, shared package management using TypeScript path mappings and versioning strategies, automated CI pipeline integration with GitHub Actions and GitLab CI, plus workspace optimization blueprints for NX affected graphs. Say goodbye to the works on my machine circus. Let's build like pros. Here's what's inside the Monorepo Setup Pack. Turbocharged turborepo scaffolding with Lerna integration. NX workspace optimization using computation caching and distributed task execution. Shared package management with Verdaccio private registry setup. CI pipeline automation featuring parallelized E2E testing and build artifact caching. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform monorepo chaos into engineering efficiency: faster, cleaner, smarter. Installing the Monorepo Setup Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add monorepo-setup-pack. That's it. You'll get the full turborepo/nx workflow, workspace generators, CI pipeline templates, shared package tooling, and all documentation. No shady npm packages or cryptic readmes, just working code. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows NX affected commands, turborepo remote caching, and how to yell at broken CI pipelines. Welcome to Monorepo Enlightenment. No yak shaving required.